Gani's present.
It's a fine day, and Gani is out running his route.
Good morning! Huh? I've never seen him before.
Hey!
We're leaving now.
And that's what happened.
What's that?
And here too.
That tickles.
This is fun.
Stop that.
Whoa!
What's going on?
What have you done?
That was fun.
Stop running around in there.
It's a wig!
Give it back! Hey! Back here, you little...
No, you can't catch me!
Please, keep it down. Stop it.
Huh? Gani? Are you okay?
What happened? Well, I had a really rowdy kid on my route today.
Does he have red, curly hair?
And a black backpack?
Huh? How do you guys know?
Of course we know him!
He's known as Jerry the Rascal!
Jerry? So everyone knows him?
Yeah!
Huh?
Ugh. He's famous for giving buses a hard time.
He's caused trouble on every bus he's been on.
Oh, I hope I don't see him tomorrow.
It was the next day.
Huh? Whew. He's not here today. What a relief. Good morning. Ah!
Gotcha!
What was that for?
Got you in the face.
We're leaving now. What is he up to this time? No! You can't stick your head out the window. It's not safe. That was close.
Pew!
Ah!
Pew!
Ah,
Pew!
stop
Pew!
that!
Pew!
Oh, it's happening all over again. What should I do? Huh? That's it!
Hello, I am Joey the Magician.
Pew!
For today's magic trick, I will perform teleportation.
Teleportation?
Please, let it work.
When I go inside the box, all of you count to 3 for me.
Okay!
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Ta-da!
What?
Next up is my amazing card trick.
Yes, it's working. Let's go. We're here.
Hey, little bus.
Huh? Yeah?
Can you show me another magic show tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Yeah, I love magic shows.
Oh. I guess I could do that.
Really?
But you have to promise to behave from now on. Otherwise, no more magic.
Huh?
Well, will you do it?
Okay.
All right. I'm Gani. Nice to meet you.
I'm Jerry. Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, it's that kid again!
Ha! Ta-da! Hi, I'm Joey the Magician.
Hey, Jerry. Jerry!
Wait. I can erase it.
Okay.
Ah! Ah!
Wow! It's even better on the big screen.
I know, isn't it? We're here, Jerry.
Uh-huh. The magic show was awesome today.
You must really like magic shows.
I do.
Huh?
I want to be a magician when I grow up.
Wow, really?
And when I'm a magician, I want to learn how to teleport.
Teleport? But why?
Well, my dad moved to another country for work. So I haven't seen him for a long time.
Oh.
But when I'm a magician, I can teleport to where my dad is.
Oh, I see. Hey, Jerry, do you want to go see a real-life magic show?
Wow, really?
Yeah, Jerry. Joey the Magician is having a show next week. I can take you there to see it.
Wow! You promise?
Yeah, I promise.
Tayo, the little bus.
Really? No way!
Huh? Hey, guys. What's going on?
Oh, we were just talking about Jerry.
What about him? Is he in trouble again?
You won't believe it, but Jerry the rascal has turned into an angel.
Oh, I knew that.
Yeah, he's been really well behaved lately.
And I even saw him giving up his seat for someone.
How did this happen?
I couldn't believe it.
The next day, Gani came to pick up Jerry as usual.
I should tell Jerry what I heard. Huh? Oh? He's not here today.
So, is Jerry really moving away forever?
Jerry? Hey, girls.
Huh?
Are you talking about the red-haired Jerry?
Yeah.
But what do you mean he's leaving?
Oh, he's moving with his mom to where his dad is.
So he didn't come to school today. We heard he's moving for good.
For good? Oh, I see. Thanks for telling me.
You're welcome.
So he finally gets to meet his dad. That's great. Oh. But he didn't even tell me. I need to go see him. Oh,
You promise?
that's right.
That day, Gani drove all around town to look for Joey the Magician.
No!
Huh? Oh,
I have to see Gani!
come on, Jerry. Nori, what's going on?
We're supposed to be going to the airport, but Jerry's being stubborn. He says he wants to see Gani.
Let's go. Huh? Gani? If we miss this flight, you'll never get to see Dad. All right?
Okay.
So let's go, okay? Come on.
Jerry!
Huh? Gani!
I'm glad I could make it.
I'm glad I got to see you.
I know, but congratulations for finally getting to see your dad.
Thanks. But I'm really gonna miss you a lot.
That's okay, Jerry. 'Cause when you're a famous magician, you'll fly back here and see me anytime, won't you?
Yeah.
Nori,
Huh?
can I take Jerry to the airport?
Oh. Yeah. Thanks, Gani.
Here, get on, Jerry.
Thanks, Gani.
Wow. It looks looks like a stage. Huh? What's this? Oh, wow!
Ta-da! Welcome to Joey the Magician's Magic Show.
Wow, it's Joey the Magician! No way! How did he get here?
Well, Gani came by late last night to ask me to hold a special performance for you.
Oh, Gani, thank you so much.
I'm glad you like it.
And now, let's begin the Magic Show.
Wow! Oh, this is awesome!
I'll be back, Taiyo.
Okay.
Gani gave Jerry a very special present, one that Jerry would never forget.
Goodbye, Jerry. See you next time.